Introducing AI, the smart vision solution from Sensolist, powered by AI and deep learning. The AI system detects people, objects, and potential risks in real time, ensuring unmatched safety, security, and compliance. Integrated with the Sensolist IoT platform, the AI system connects with other sensors like noise levels, gas leaks, water leaks, and air quality, delivering powerful data dashboards and predictive insights. This makes it the ideal solution for smart cities, industrial environments, and smart homes. The AI system can identify and track individuals, detect vehicles, monitor public services, and analyze objects. It boosts safety and efficiency in smart cities and industrial settings. Leverage your existing CCTV and drone infrastructure to gather critical data, driving substantial savings on hardware. Enhance safety, monitor health risks, and detect hazards with advanced AI algorithms. The system provides real-time notifications and integrates seamlessly with other platforms to trigger automated preventive actions for proactive risk management. AI processes multiple video streams in real time, providing actionable insights and alerts through advanced AI systems and big data analytics. An exclusive yet affordable AI system that scales across new scenarios and cameras. It automates video analysis and provides real-time alerts using existing infrastructure. Sensolist's comprehensive AI solution includes real-time alerts via mobile apps, detailed analytics, and system management through a user-friendly portal. Use cases for AI span multiple industries, including safety, security, construction, transport, agriculture, and retail, enhancing efficiency and risk management. The HSSE module detects health, safety, security, and environmental incidents. It identifies dangerous situations, PPE compliance, and possible accidents in real time. HSSE module features perimeter monitoring, unsafe situation alerts, and non-compliant behavior detection, ensuring operational safety and compliance. HSSE alerts for missing safety equipment, such as helmets, vests, and boots, enhancing workplace safety and compliance. HSSE module detects individuals lying on the floor, providing alerts for potential fainting or fatalities, and ensuring quick response times. This module detects and identifies vehicles, including unauthorized speeding or movement in restricted areas, using license plate recognition technology. Customizable dashboards and reports offer automated compliance monitoring, providing actionable insights based on alert type, day, and hour. Smart city solutions detect and monitor transportation, providing detailed car traffic flow analysis, vehicle classification, and itineraries for urban management. Smart city sanitation monitoring prevents vandalization, controls trash removal schedules, and identifies public service vehicles, ensuring a cleaner urban environment. Retail solutions count visitors, classify demographics, and manage queues, enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency. Real-time retail analysis detects multiple objects and client demographics, tracking behavior and actions for better decision-making. Sensolist's system functionalities include advanced reporting and analytics, using Power BI and other integrations for comprehensive data insights. Map integration in Sensolist system offers real-time detections and visual insights, enhancing situational awareness and operational efficiency. Enhance operational safety and compliance with Sensolist's comprehensive AI systems tailored to meet diverse industry needs. Unlock new opportunities for efficiency and effectiveness with Sensolist's AI solutions designed to improve safety, security, and overall experience. Visit Sensolist's website to learn more about our innovative IoT and AI systems and schedule a free consultation to revolutionize your operations.